Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today because your girl's FabFit box came today. Okay. Sorry. I don't know why I always flip and cough, but I do. So yeah, so like seriously, like you guys, it's massive. Also, it is 105 degrees here in Kentucky. I don't know if y'all live in Kentucky. According to my weather thing, it hangs outside. That's it. It hangs in the shade, but according to that, it's 105 degrees, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow here. So, hopefully, it's crazy outside, and it's just unbearable. I took the kids to the our local park had added a new kind of like water thing to it, so I took them over there and they got to run around in the water, which they probably thought was amazing. Felt so good. But anyway, FabFitFun finally came. It's been like over a month since I paid for it and I started to worry about it, but it's here and it's massive. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. Like this thing is just absolutely. Oh yeah, so I did an add-on for this month, and it's actually right here on top. The box is upside down. Oh, okay. This box is not that big. There it is. I had the choice to add a yoga mat from Anthropologie. I love Anthropologie. Like, I'm obsessed. I want everything when I get on there. It's just crazy. So when I saw the Anthropologie yoga mat, I was like, do I really need it? Like, like, yeah, of course I do. Add it. But it was like an extra $15, I think. So, no, 10 or 15. I think I spent like $68 was my total for this box, because I do pay for mine. So anyway, this is it. Let's open this up. So this is their traveling yoga mat. This is their travel yoga mat that you can fold up and take with you. This is what it looks like. So let's see, a yoga mat for the wellness seeker, ideal for yoga. Bikram? What's Bikram? Bikram? I don't know how you pronounce it. Hot yoga, sweaty practice Pilates, and general exercise. So this is like a limited edition yoga mat. Now they do have this on their website, and it is $50 if you don't want to buy it through here, but I thought it was a pretty good deal since, you know. Is that leopard? If this is leopard, I mean, it was meant for me to have this because I'm a leopard fanatic. This thing is massive. I love it. So I'm gonna try to show you what it looks like. So here's this. My neighbors are going into their apartment right next door to me. So here's this, and at the bottom it goes purple. Do y'all see that? Like, so pretty and humongous. I love this. It's so nice. But I don't really expect. Here's your little magazine that you get. It is just the FabFitFun. Well, it tells you everything in here. I was like, yeah, but it'll tell you everything that you're getting. So I can't use this code, but if you all would like, there's maybe the code you all can use for $15 off your first box if you want to use it. I can't use it, so share to win FabFitFun. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh yeah. So I picked these. I knew I was getting these. These are the earrings, the little like ear crawlers. I don't know how these work. Do they just, I guess they just snap onto your ear. Okay. I dropped them. You guys, you can tell I haven't filmed them forever. It's been like 2 weeks, but yeah, so these are just the little ear crawlers. I love these. I cannot wait to try those. Juice cleanse, exfoliating sugar cubes. What is this? Like, what does that mean? Take a single cube with you in the shower and bath and gently massage. Oh, I cannot wait. I want to try these. Oh, I cannot wait. Wait. What's these smell like? Anything? What is that? What does that smell? That smells, oh my god, you guys, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good, which is awesome. And I will probably reuse that container because that's what what I do. What is this? No way! Oh my god. I wanted this so bad. Okay, so I watched Coffee Break with Danny, you guys. That's my girl, okay? But I watched her and she got this and I was like, oh, I probably won't get that. Oh my gosh. Yes, I did. It's the straightener. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this. Yes, it's the straightener. Oh my god, I love that color. Oh my god, you guys, this has been the best box so far. I'm so excited. Like, it's a straightener, I know, but I'm so excited. I wanted this so bad. Yay! Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, moving on. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited for this too. Okay, so I already have one of these. But these are the hair towels. I have one and I love mine. I actually don't get to dry my hair if I wash it at night. I usually just kind of sleep with it wet. But the last time I washed my hair, I actually wrapped it in the one I have, which is the Turby Twist, and it like pretty much sucked all the water out of my hair like as I slept, and it was so nice. So in the morning I just kind of dried what wasn't already like dried, so it was just, anyway, it was perfect. So I'm so excited for this. Can I open? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna open this. Yes, I have another one. I love this, and I do have a lot of hair, so these are perfect. So you just kind of and you do it like that, and then I actually don't know how this one snaps. Oh, there's the thing. Okay, so there's this little thing back here, and then there's a button back here in the back. So the button part is the one that you put in the back of your head, but this is actually kind of coming off my head, so should I just leave it? Okay. Ooh, Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Rollerball. I probably need this, to be honest, to relax. I'm the most unrelaxed person in the world. Ew. So it looks like that. Let's see. That's strong. I can see where it would tell you to relax, but that is very strong. It's not that bad of a smell. It's not that bad of a smell, but it's a little bit stronger than what I would probably prefer. I feel like that's gonna give me a headache more than anything, so I don't know about that. We may pass it on. What's this? Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. Natural, vegan, and cruelty-free body souffle. Oh, I think Coffee Break with Danny got this too, and she said it smelled amazing, and I was like, I wish I could get it. I know I'm making a face, but oh god, what kind of... This actually smells pretty good. I'm trying to see if it says anything particular, like what is the smell, but no. So this is just a body souffle. It's actually really light. Like when I think of a souffle, I think of maybe a little bit thicker. It's actually pretty light, but that's still okay. Still perfect for summer. It reminds me of like a really nice spring morning or like summer afternoon, so I would probably definitely be wearing that for the rest of summer. Avita, I saw this too. Like you could get this, a damage remedy daily hair repair. Oh my god, I need this so freaking bad. Anything for my hair, you guys. Ooh, not gonna lie, not a big fan of the smell of that though, but I will probably still try it and use it. Okay. Oh, I was so excited for this. I knew I was getting this too, because I think I picked this out over everything else that I could get. And it is the Kate Spade New York makeup bag. See here? Isn't that cute? Or, no, not makeup bag. Lunchbox? This is out to lunch, so maybe it's a lunchbox. Oh, it is a it is a lunchbox. I was like, oh my god, that's such a pretty makeup bag. But it's a lunchbox. Okay, well, even better. So, you know what? I'd probably still use this for my makeup because I really don't need a lunchbox. So, it's probably still going to be my makeup bag, but I like it. It's, you know, but who knows? I might need it for lunch. So, there's that. Awesome. Is there anything else? Okay, you guys, that is it for this FabFitFun unboxing. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. So this was so flippin' nice. Like, I can literally use everything in this box. I actually hate getting stuff that I know I'm not gonna use or I can't use or whatever. I'm so excited about everything. I really am. I can't wait to try it and use it. So, and as you all know, I'm stoked for this. I love everything. This has been the best box, I feel like. The fall boxes are always the best ones in my opinion. I would have loved to got the summer box. I skipped summer. I think I got the spring, but I skipped summer, which I actually would have loved that one, but we ended up not taking a vacation, so everything I was getting in that box was going to be perfect for the vacation we were going on, but we decided to skip a vacation this year because we had the little baby girl with us. So anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!